Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Teachable for launching an online course, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Teachable web. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Click Create Account to proceed. Once your account is created, you may need to confirm your email. Check your email and click the confirmation link provided. After confirming, return to the Teachable website and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Click on the Create New School button. Fill out the required details, including your school name and URL. Choose a name that reflects your brand and course content. Select the appropriate plan for your needs. Teachable offers different options, so choose one that suits your budget and requirements. After choosing a plan, click the Next button to continue. You will then be taken to the course creation page. Select Create Course to begin setting up your online course. Enter the course title and a brief description of your course. Make sure to create an engaging and informative description. Customize your course settings, including pricing and enrollment options. You can choose between one-time payments or subscription models. Next, upload your course content, including videos, PDFs, and quizzes. Use the drag and drop feature for easy content organization. Create your course curriculum by structuring your modules and lessons. Click on Add section to include different parts of your course. Ensure each section is well-defined and flows logically. Preview your course to check for any last-minute adjustments. Make use of Teachable's built-in tools for enhancing your course. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.